Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can withdraw money from Astropay wallet. It's very easy thing to do. Just follow these steps and you can withdraw money from Astropay. Now first open Astropay wallet from your account. Then what you have to do, you have to convert your Indian rupee to US dollar. Then enter your amount and convert it to USD, and after exchange successfully, you will show these messages. Now from the home menu, go to send option, then select a local bank account, and then enter US dollar how much you want to withdraw. Then select continue. After selecting, now select your preferred payment method, select bank transfer, then select the recipient, and now you will see this summary. If you satisfy with everything, then tap on confirm, and then you have to wait a few minutes and you will see this message. Now your money will be transferred to your bank account or your preferable payment method, and that's it. That's how you can withdraw money from your Astropay wallet.